tonight. But you see, baby, it's a little hot in here in more ways than one. So I've got a little proposal to make to each and every one of you here tonight. I think it's time that we all go dive in the pool. Y'all wanna go dive?